Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is reportedly on the way with a bunch of upgrades. The Android tablet market is a lot less competitive these days, but nevertheless Samsung is still churning out the best competitor to the Apple iPad. With the release of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and Galaxy Tab S7 Plus last fall, our attention is now turning to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Though it has not been officially announced yet, by Sam Mobile we have learned that the Samsung may have in fact leaked that existence of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 itself. It's fairly safe to say the device is on the horizon, though its release isn't likely to be imminent. There are already a handful of rumors flying around. Upgrades for the Galaxy Tab S8 will likely include a faster Snapdragon 888 chip and possibly software upgrade for the better multitasking. All signs point to the Apple having iPad Pro 2021 on the store shelves by March. So, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is going to be facing stiff competition upon its launch. Here is everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, as well as the few things we want to see from the device. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 release date. If past releases are any indication, then the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 should be set for the late summer release. Both the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and Galaxy Tab S7 Plus release launch in August. So we expect the Galaxy Tab S8 to break cover around the same time. When the tablet will be officially unveiled is less clear as Samsung hasn't been super consistent with the tab announcement. Past form would suggest it will almost certainly come in summer, with the somewhere in July or early August the most likely candidates. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 price. We are likely won't get the solid idea of how Samsung will price the Galaxy Tab S8 until much closer to launch, but there are some conclusions we can draw based on the past pricing. The Galaxy Tab S7 started at $649, whereas the more expensive Galaxy Tab S7 Plus started at $849. So we expect the Galaxy Tab S8 to be somewhere in the same price range. The general trend for the tab range has been for the price increase with each new generation. So we cannot shock if the Galaxy Tab S8 cost more than its predecessor. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 specs. If these rumors are to be believed, it appears the Galaxy Tab S8 will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset and offer 8GB of RAM in a standard model and 12GB of RAM in a Plus variant. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 was powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, and new Snapdragon 88 offers a suitable upgrade and should be boost raw power of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Storage option will range from the 128GB to the 256GB to fairly substantial 512GB at the top end. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 display. Galaxy Tab S7 has features beautiful 120Hz of display, so we are expecting the Galaxy Tab S8 will continue to impress. The Gallup says the Galaxy Tab S8 will offer 11-inch 120Hz of LCD, while Plus model will features 12.4-inch 120Hz of AMOLED panel. The fingerprint sensor will also be identical to the Galaxy Tab S7. It will again located at the top edge power button. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 battery and charging. Rumors again coming by the way of the Gallup suggest that the battery capacity of the Galaxy Tab S8 and the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus will be uncharged from the Galaxy Tab S7 range.